Looking for ways to make money in real estate? Whether you're in Tampa, Sarasota, Bradenton, or Lakewood Ranch, the Florida market offers huge opportunities, but you need to know the strategies that actually work. In this video, I'll break down the top ways people are profiting from real estate right now. First, the classic strategy, buy and hold. Purchasing a property to rent out while generating steady monthly income while your property appreciates over time. In Sarasota or Lakewood Ranch, a 3-bedroom single-family home can rent for $2,500 to $3,000 a month, providing a strong cash flow. Target areas near good schools, hospitals, or universities consistently attract renters. The longer you hold the property, the more equity you build, giving you options to refinance or invest in additional properties. Another popular strategy is flipping houses, buying a property below market value, renovating it, and then selling it for a profit. For example, a fixer-upper in Tampa was bought for $350,000, renovated for $50,000, and sold for $450,000. That's a $50,000 profit in just a few months. Make sure you have different renovations that really add value. Flipping works best when you understand local buyer demand and timing. Spring and early summer are prime selling months in Florida. Short-term rentals, like Airbnbs, can generate even higher income, especially in tourist-heavy areas. Sarasota and Bradenton see a lot of seasonal visitors, meaning homes can earn 2 or 3 times what a long-term rental would bring. The challenge is managing the bookings, the maintenance, and regulations. Some investors hire property managers to handle everything while they're trying to keep their profits high. Commercial properties are another way to make money. Office buildings, retail spaces, or multifamily apartments in Tampa or Sarasota can provide long-term lease income. The advantage here is stability. Commercial tenants sign longer leases, and cash flow is a lot more predictable. The downside is higher upfront costs and more complex management, but the rewards can be substantial. There are many ways to make money with real estate in Florida, from rentals and flips to short-term rentals and commercial investments. The key is choosing the right strategy for your goals, budget, and risk tolerance. If you're ready to start investing in Tampa, Sarasota, Bradenton, or Lakewood Ranch, contact our team right away. We'll help you identify opportunities, evaluate properties, and create a plan to maximize your returns.